Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create EC2 instance and how we can connect to EC2 instance using the PuTTY. So before starting this, you should have the AWS account, and when you log in into that, you can see this window, and these are the services which I was visited recently. So click on these services. Here you can see all the services. Click on EC2 service. So it's going to open the resources page. So it will show you the count of the resources, and here you can see key page is 1 and the instances running 0. It means there is no active EC2 instances. So if you want to create the new instances, click on launch instance. So it will take you to next page. Be careful while creating the EC2 instance, because few services are free and few services are paid. See, here I'm choosing the Amazon Linux 2 AMI. This is free tier eligible, so I'm choosing this. Click on select, and here you have to choose the instance type. So this is also free tier eligible, so I'm going with configure instance details. So here you no need to do any changes. Click on add storage. Here also you no need to do any changes. It's like a hard disk for the instance. Click on add tags and click on configure security groups. So here we have to add a rule, custom TCP route. The port number will be 8081. Access anyway. So this is what I have created. So then click on review and launch. So it will show you the review instance launch, the options which you have choose. All the options will be shown here. If you have any changes, you can go to the, or else you can click on the launch. So it will ask you to download the new key page. Okay, if you have already created the any instances, you might have the any key page, you can choose that too. So as you are a new user, click on create new key page. So key page name is the sample, and download key page. So you can see .pem file downloaded. Click on launch instances. So then go to home folder and click on EC2. So here it's showing running instances are 1, which we are created. Click on that. So here you can see the instances which we are created, and it will take you few minutes to get ready the instance. See here, it's showing initializing. So once it's completed, then it will be get ready for using. So we have downloaded .pem file, but if we want to access the EC2 instance using the PuTTY, we need PPK extension file. So For that we have to uh, access putty generator. Putty gen is there, click on that. So you no need to worry, once you have installed the putty, then automatically it will be installed. So you just open the putty key generator, then you can see here option load. Click on load, and the file will be in the downloads folder. Here click on all the files. So here you can see sample.pem file. Click on that. Okay, then save private key. Yes. So give the name for this. I want to save this sample. Save. Okay, so the ppk was get ready. So open the putty. So here in the host name you have to give the public IP of the instance. For that you just click on instance ID. And see here, this is the public IP of the instance. Copy this and open the putty and paste it here. So in the next click on SSH. Here click on R. So here you can see browse ppk file. So this sample ppk file we have to choose. Okay, then you can just click on open. You just accept. So it will ask you login as ec2-user. You just type this and enter. So now it's connected to the EC2 instance. So this is the end of the video.